Though I'm an attorney, I am not your attorney, and neither is Frank and Kraft. This video you're about to see is for informational purposes only and does not create an attorney-client relationship between you, the viewer, and either me or my law firm, Frank and Kraft. Everyone's situation is different, and the advice that we give is not appropriate for everyone. If you have specific issues and concerns, please talk to an attorney in person because their advice may differ from the one you're about to see. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Alan Reece, an attorney here at the law firm of Frank and Kraft, the host of the Elder Care channel. I'm going to answer today another question, a frequently asked question that we get about Medicaid and long-term care planning. Today's question is, how soon can I get Medicaid? Now, unfortunately, this answer, there's no one answer. It obviously depends on people's individual circumstances. So what I thought I'd do is I'd talk around the question to give you a sense of some of the factors that Medicaid takes into account when you're applying for care. So there are two big moving parts when it comes to Medicaid eligibility. The first is income, and the second is assets. And of these, the one that's really more important for an eligibility standpoint is assets. Medicaid was originally designed to be the payer of last resort for people who could not afford any other forms of paying for care. So because of that, Medicaid has fairly strict asset limits that you need to fall below before you become eligible for care. Now those numbers change. Some of those numbers change every year. Some of them stay the same. So at any point in time, the numbers that I may be talking about in this video, at the time you're watching this video, those numbers may change. So I want to caveat that. But as a hypothetical, if you were a single person in Indiana applying for Medicaid today, when I'm making this video, you cannot have more than $1,500 or $1,500 in total assets, or you're also not allowed to keep more than $52 a month in income. Any assets above that dollar amount, with some caveats, could be used to pay for care, and any income above that $52 a month would also be used to pay for care. Now, there are huge caveats in that because there are some assets that are exempt. There are some assets that you can transfer under some circumstances. There are some things you can use your money for to purchase that are not counted. So those numbers are by no means set in stone when it comes to planning, but those are the baseline numbers that we use to plan, to build upon. So how soon can you get Medicaid? Well, it depends tremendously on what your assets are, what your personal circumstances are. Are you married? Are you single? Do you have any children who've been helping take care of you? There's all sorts of specific facts that could change that number. To get the answer to the question, how soon can I get Medicaid, you really need to talk to someone who can walk through your specific situation, the specific facts of your circumstance, and run the numbers to see when you would become eligible. So I guess the short answer is, how soon can you get Medicaid? I don't know. You have to talk to me and give me some more information. I hope that's helped a little bit to give you at least a sense of some of the contours of the problem. Thanks.